Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about the crypto tax. Yes, the tax season coming. And also, I will touch on Ripple as well. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. So for my Patreon group member, I post a video about the where did I post a video? So I post the video. I post the video about the free indicator hurts FOMO into the stock market. This video is exclusively for Crypto Dive Master Patreon member only. And also, screaming cell signal. Should you get the coronavirus vaccine? And how to trade like a pro. And of course, which gold and silver coin has high resale value? The next stages. And there's some essential vitamins for preventing coronavirus. If you're interested, you can check it out. So let's talk about the tax season coming up. So basically, people are thinking, hey, right now IRS probably are busy with the stimulus check and all that thing. I don't think so. They actually have a guideline already. They published the guideline back in October 2019. That is a crypto tax guideline. They basically going after people who did not report the crypto tax. So there's 5 mistakes you need to avoid. And of course, definitely you don't want to mess with Uncle Sam. The first mistake is do not report only part of your crypto activity. So basically all the activity you have to report. And the thing is, you don't assume that you know which information IRS has access to. Because IRS cannot rely on your information provided, they also have third party provide all this information. For example, crypto exchange, payment system, and all that. And plus blockchain, and all the transaction, you can see that on the blockchain, right? So they can see everything basically. And of course, the crypto exchange like Gemini, Coinbase, Kraken, Poloniex, those are going to report your gains to them for sure. And of course, if you only reporting only part of your crypto activity, that is basically illegal. And basically, you're gambling on yourself basically. And also avoid using the Litecoin exchange. So Litecoin exchange is not applied to crypto. It's only applied to real property, not to cryptocurrency. They already stated very clearly. And unfortunately, they didn't pass a law that allowed Litecoin exchange. And this will so people are saying, hey, Litecoin exchange, it will not generate any tax liability on the sale of an asset because asset exchange to another asset, right? So it's not going to fiat. Like crypto to crypto is not taxable. No, according to them, it's still taxable. So I think it's kind of like, I think it's a little bit crazy, but this is what they are right now. I'm surprised the crypto community didn't lobby that they should allow this Litecoin exchange, because sometimes it's difficult to like see how much like crypto to crypto, how much worth. If it's crypto to fiat, it's very clear cut, right? But crypto to crypto is difficult to assess the value anyway. But anyway, I mean, this is what they have right now. I mean, so it's only to real property, not cryptocurrency. So do not treat all your crypto transactions the same. If you receive payment in crypto for service, it's an income. If you're mining crypto, it's an income. If you trade in crypto, you have capital gain or losses. So of course, you have short-term and long-term capital gain. Short-term capital gain hold less than 1 year, you pay 30% of the capital gain. And if it's long-term, hold more than 1 year, so you pay 10%. The thing is, like, there's a lot of trader probably ins and out. A lot of people trading ins and out, thinking they're making a lot of money. But no, 30% is already gone. You're paying taxes. So that's why I don't like to be ins and out, ins and out. I mean, if you live in a country that's tax-free, some countries, then that's fine. You can ins and out, no problem. But if you're living in the US, then it's not a good idea because you're paying 30%. I mean, your profit, 30% is going to Uncle Sam. That's not worth it. You spend so much time trading, and yet 30% already get 30% cut. So do not forget to establish fair market value for peer-to-peer transactions. So, well, sometimes it's difficult to establish, to assess like what is the fair market value, I mean, when you bought all the shitcoin back in 2017 and now it's almost go to zero, are you going to write off all those things? I mean, it's kind of difficult to do a fair market value. I mean, anyway. And another thing is use the wrong tax form. So capital gain form 8949, basically sales and other disposition of capital asset. And 1040 Schedule 1, those are additional income and adjustment to income. The thing is, like, a lot of people using the tax accountant. But the thing is, this is your hard-earned money. Why not you learn how to file your tax? Or you can use some software, all that thing too as well. So I think it's important that sometimes the accountant, for example, they have like thousands of customers. So they don't have much time to help you, like how much deductions they have. I think it's better you learn how to do the taxes yourself. I mean, if you have questions, you can always consult with your the tax expert. But I think it's better you learn how to do it yourself. But anyway, if you have tons of money, you don't care, that's fine. But then they're not going to spend that much time just for you. They have like thousands and thousands of customers. So after they finish, just move on to the other one. So let me know what you think about this crypto tax thing. Comment below. And Ripple. So Ripple is Pay ID is going to make sending Ripple XRP as easy as sending email. So Pay ID is in Australia. I think it's probably very similar to Seller in the US. When you send a small amount of money to another friend, you can just send maybe 500 or 1,000 to an email address that you already register in your banking account. So basically, I think it's very similar to that. So Ripple is going to join a network of over 40 entities in open payment. So it's very easy to send money to people, just sending just using an email. You can send email. You can send email just using email, sending a payment. And of course, Pay ID, they're saying that it's an open protocol. WeChat and Facebook's Libra is not open protocol, of course. And they can shut down your account anytime they want, basically. So that's why it's not a good idea to do those coin, right? For Libra coin. And so basically, let's see. So they're saying that sending Ripple as easy as email, basically using an email to send money to overseas or to worldwide to anybody. So Pay ID has been operating in Australia, and another thing is popular Melbourne-based exchange BTC market. They use Pay ID to accept via deposit. So if you're from Australia, let me know about this Pay ID. I don't know. I never heard about this Pay ID. Comment below if you're from Australia, you know about this Pay ID. I would love to hear from you. And anyway, today I'm going to do a very quick video. It's Friday, so we gotta go. Let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risk. Please use the due diligence. I'm not your healthcare provider. So if you have any questions or concerns about coronavirus, please consult your doctor. And whatever I'm talking about here is for informational and entertainment purposes. So you should also do your homework or do your due diligence as well. Peace out.